Kenya's tourism and hospitality sector is among the worst hit by the current COVID-19 pandemic, as hours of operation remain limited, coupled with other protocols such as social distancing. Experts predicted that revenue will drop at least by 60% by the end of 2020, which will trigger massive job cuts. The onset of COVID-19, however, prompted the government to release funds to cushion various sectors from sinking. Speaking on the predicament, Bars, Hotels and Liquor Traders Association of Kenya, Secretary General said that members had not received any funding from the Ministry of Tourism.
Need 14 billion worth of finances. And President Uhuru Kenyatta allocated 4 billion last year to the Ministry of Tourism. We are calling on His Excellency, Najib Balala, to ensure that our members are able to access these funds. Otherwise, so far, our 54,000 members have never been able to access these funds because of the terms and conditions that were put.
With bar operations hours reduced from 9 p.m. to 7 p.m. during the third presidential order of 2021, operators have since criticized the working hours. Operators say they are now working at a 14% staff reduction from the previous 35%.
In our business, we pay a lot of licenses because you're going to pay a liquor license, you pay single business permit, you even pay trade tourism and regulatory authority, music copyright, all these licenses. We are pleading with the counties that are around and also the national government that we only pay one license, that is the liquor license.
The association is also calling upon the county government to issue a 50% waiver on licenses, noting that bar owners are now on an economical edge.
Most of the bars we run from 5 p.m., which means that consumers will now have only 2 hours to visit our premises. An extension of a number of hours would enable us to resume business in a more complete manner and facilitate the resumption of businesses of more than 15,000 members who are affected.
The Ministry of Health has also been urged to prioritize workers in the liquor sector in the administration of the vaccines, noting that they are an integral part of the country's economy.
We would plead with the government for them to give us vaccination or to make us frontliners of vaccination. Because our work, we normally engage with our customers and we give them services.
According to Barita, the government has lost 6 billion Kenyan shillings in terms of revenue. More so, despite the reopening of the 5 zoned counties, they say they continue to suffer under the stringent measures. Mombi Wambogo, K24, Kiambu County.